proposed business plan of the Group 2.
Alright.
So, and for our project information, so our target beneficiaries are the captain scholars. They are one and out of school youth. And our project title is Handicraft for a Cause. Project time location, Capital Center, Liberty Mindset, 9 City, Municipality City, Ross, Province of Cavite. And for our business experience, so the proposed business plan will be a person integrating project of Capital Scholars where they can utilize their creativity in doing different handicrafts using different commonly diagnosed native materials presently available out of the garden.
Can you rephrase that? Tama na, but can you rephrase that? Na magiging connected sa line of your experience. Kahit that you do not have any experience in business, but since you have expertise of it, we might as well put that expertise na maka-generate that can support the transportation.
Ano ang example?
Nakita mo na generate. So, mamaya tapos ko, learn right after, i-rephrase mo lang.
I rephrase ko lang siya.
Rephrase mo lang siya. Though ginambal nga, we don't have any, the group does not have any business experience, but the expertise, you have to capitalize on your expertise. Na,
The creativity.
yes, and the expertise.
So, background rationale. The youth program will be creative in doing such things, most especially in handicraft making, as a livelihood which is more significantly important nowadays due to the present economic situation in Capiz and the city of Rojas. The high price of commodity has made life difficult for consumers. Considering different sectors of the society, including the unequal who are more vulnerable to engaging themselves in local activities which violate the law. And this is the reason that leads the youth to copiousness and also school youth before and how to be scholars to save institution to put up and manage an income-generating project for a cause. So utilizing inexpensive and locally available materials rather than having
And by utilizing their expertise, inexpensive and local. Hindi mo, always emphasize on your expertise in making that happen. Kamuman sa inyo, ha?
So, specific objectives. The idea of putting the project aims to earn a great income to augment
How much? You should be
of 20,000 per month
per month.
to augment the possible needs to capital center, its maintenance and sustainability.
Okay.
To promote advocacy for the youth considering the environment.
Why did you
Ano mo?
income, right? So, kung di pag-prepare si Sina, nag-traffic ka. Yeah. Objective.
So, do you know?
Why do you think? Siyempre, kung ina-bigyan nyo ang objective, ina-naya yung objective, right? Kung ina-objective nyo, thank you. All the income will go to the center. That's it. Add.
Okay.
Add.
1%
Okay lang.
Okay. Promote advocacy for the youth considering the environmental protection by recycling and economically environmentally materials.
When it should be smart, simple, okay, measurable, okay, recited already economically and environmentally okay. Attainable, can you do that? Yes, you can. Reasonable, of course. Reasonable. Time frame. Where's that? No time frame. Who's that? Kung saan rin na makita ang inyong advocacy. When will you start advocacy? When ina ma-feel ang tao, ang impact ng inyong advocacy? When? The time frame dapat. Okay?
So, provide fun time for competent scholars work together and learn to become productive rather than teaching themselves about.
When? From what month? To what month?
If it's first month,
Then, what is that?
the first.
From the very beginning to the, as long as the business is. Then,
Generate friendly business competence for the growth development of private sectors by providing provide employment for competent scholars until their
provide how many employment for how many
100% of
scholars?
scholars.
100%? Because you will use them sa marketing? All the students, scholars will market? Yung consider nyo na or no way? At sige, in your marketing, I will connect that number 5 to your marketing strategy. What you said is provided employment, full capital for it. If I will take it as is, tanan ang gusto nyo. But how kung tanan?
Ay, buta na lang, muna kung kailangan
Continue. Kung pila ka student, pila, and then the rest as your agent ng mabaligyan.
Ay, hindi man lang kumain.
Is it included in your costing? Part of where? The income? Is it already listed in your assumption? Na a certain percent mo na PLSC?
So, yung project description, the proposed project business planning capital colors, there will be called handicap for accounts made of economically and environmentally available materials, practically significant indigenous
Again,
materials.
first IGP
Gani bang pero hindi sila decided to can use
Can you cite which one of the existing needs of establishment left it here? Left it